Hi, welcome to this new video with Linux. Today I want to make a panel that will show hostname, OS, kernel, uptime, CPU usage, RAM, and much more. So before I start doing anything, I will first go into root mode and just to update and full upgrade. Okay, let's start setting up. First, we update everything to ensure package list is current, and it's a good habit to update and upgrade everything at the start. So let's start installing Conky. So this step will install Conky and it's gonna install everything what we need to start making UI. Next step, I want to install some fonts. Let's proceed with setting up configuration directory. We're gonna let's just open new window and enlarge this. So let's open down like this. Let's make it new directory. Okay, as we can see it's here, Conky. Now I will create system core config file inside this directory. Let's go inside with cd, change directory. So just to see there is nothing inside and we are inside directory Conky. So now to make core configuration, let's name it system core. Let's make it. Okay, let's proceed to next stage. Now we're gonna test the module. Okay, we have some error. Let's check what is it. So I can see the error. Let's open it with Kate. Okay, let's open with Kate and see what's easier. Let's see it easier, because it's gonna be like this, color coded. Okay, here is the error. I did not put. Let's test it now. Now we have it here. As you can see, host sandbox, OS Debian GNU Linux, kernel, uptime, CPU usage, RAM usage, system core as we name it. So this is manually tested. Okay, so now we have Conky installed, one module exists. This is just manually starting, not starting anything automatically. So nothing is permanent. So let's just fix some issues. As you can see, black background. Let's stop the Conky. Let's Control C. Because it's still running, as you can see here. Okay, great. Now we shut it down. And let's edit configuration file again. We're gonna do this time in Kate, so I can see color coded. On video type, we're gonna put override. We're gonna leave it as a on window transparent. We're gonna just add so we have visual value to 0. It should be transparent true. Okay, let's save it and let's test it again. Let's go here, Conky, let's start it. And as you can see, we have it. System core, host sandbox, Debian GNU Linux, kernel, uptime, CPU usage 8%, RAM usage. Okay, let's just test like this. Is it staying behind the... no, it's above applications, so that's not good because I want to be behind applications. So we need to fix that now. Yeah, so you can see it's always above applications. So let's fix that. As well, if we click, nothing happened, that's good. It's just visual. Okay, let's continue and fix issues. Let's stop the Conky and just kill it. Let's clear the screen. Let's and we fix now the config file again. We just gonna do this to dock, so it should show it behind any screen that we open. Save it, test again. Same thing. And it's about the application again. Exactly what I do not want. So any application when it goes just behind, that's not a good behavior. We need to fix that. Did I save it? Yes, I did save it. Because I don't want to be always on top. It should not be on top, it should be below. Kill it. And we edit it to set up as normal window. And edit this one. And now we have it as a window. As you can see, now it's not anymore docked on desktop, it's like a window. This is the issue now we need to fix. Okay, we a little bit fix it. So we now do not have title bar, and frame, and it should be always below first. Let's see what else we can do. Let's test it. Let's see, let's kill it first, and let's see, is it working now properly? Okay, nothing's showing up, but it's working. It's there. Let's see. It's behind. That's cool. That's one test. Can we click it? No. I cannot click it. That's good. That's exactly what I wanted to do. So this is expected result. This time will work as expected, as I wanted. So it's fully transparent, always behind other application, visible on desktop, non-interactive, so it means I cannot click it. I cannot click it. As you can see, always behind other applications. And this is it for this video. We did exactly what is planned to set up one testing. And on next video, we will set up other desktop HUDs that will showcase other stuff that we want to build. Thank you for staying on this video. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye bye.